Hello everyone, I'm Felix. In the era of Type-C PD replacing conventional power interfaces, more and more small product designs are using Type-C PD to power their devices. Today, using Power Delivery 3.0 DRP Demo as an example. Introduce how to use the M2L31 microcontroller to build a PD3.0 charge and discharge system. The example includes PD3.0 power communication needs and power supply. Next, let me show you the demo unit. First, we prepared two sets A and B of the PD3.0 DRP system and a retail Type-C cable supporting PD3.0 Type-C connection. Insert ends into system A and B's Type-C connectors. The M2L31 in systems A and B communicate through the CC pin to determine which side is the source roll and the other side to be the sync roll. Through the screen we can see that system A is source roll. And it shows the voltage supplied on the V-bus, voltage details, which defaults to 5 volts. System A's current status is battery charges system B's battery via OTG. We can also see on the screen, system B is the sync roll, and it shows the voltage level requested from the source, the voltage setting, which defaults to 5 volts. System B's current status, it is receiving power supplied from system A and charge its battery via charger mode. We can run the sync roll system. Press the button on the far left once to switch the voltage. The switching sequence is 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, up to 15 volts, then back to 5 volts in a loop. Next, press the middle button to switch the roll. We can see system A has switched to sync roll and system B has switched to source roll. We can now use the system A to switch the voltage. That was the Power Delivery 3.0 DRP Dual Roll Power Solution overview. If you are interested in the M2L31 microcontroller, please contact us.